Good morning, good morning, good morning. Would you believe that's all I needed to do? I just wanted to come in and tell you good morning and have a great day. There are 3 things that I have planned for the day. First, I have to travel to my client in order to retighten her hair. After retightening her hair, I'll travel to be with a friend for lunch. And I may just take you along for a little bit of my day. And then later this evening, we're starting our Father's Day weekend by taking our husbands on a dinner cruise. And I'm looking forward to that. I hope that you are all having a great day. Subscribers, just know that I love you. And I am appreciative of all that you do to support me. I'll show you my outfit of the day, the first part of the day. And I may come back and you'll see my outfit for later this evening. I don't know what I'm going to wear on a dinner cruise. Have a great day. I forgot to do my outfit of the day before I left out of the house, so I'm going to do it now just out in my driveway. Yeah, and I will be taking these out as I drive along. I'll do the best that I can. I have on some barrel leg jeans, crop style. And I hope you can see it. I'm just gonna walk down the driveway so you can see what I'm wearing. What am I gonna do with her? I don't know.
One day this weekend, she said, "I said, well, give me a place to go, Doc, because I'm the one that's responsible for the restaurant." She said, "Try this way." She said, "The guy said the food is delicious." I said, "Really?" And to say they open at 11 o'clock and they packed like this already?
Yeah, it must be good. Y'all, this girl taking me to a brewery. Now, I don't know what my husband and my family members gonna say.
Get the whole thing. Get all the words.
Yeah, I got it. I tell you, yeah, I'm gonna behave. I don't know about her, cause she grown. She ain't even dressed. She ain't even dressed like.
I ain't drinking no
She
beer.
ain't even dressed like she got nobody. She dressed like she's looking for somebody. I'm dressed like I got a husband.
I ain't looking for nobody, girl.
I love the look of this place. It looks good, Tracy.
got your whole chin.
Hey, everybody look this way and say, hey. Hey, y'all over here. Okay. Hey.
So you're gonna have to see what.
That's the bridge we were riding on. We'll be on a ride on this yacht.
Did you get a dolphin, Jean?
Oh, I don't know.
If you got it on that boat, it's on your film.
You saw a dolphin?
Yeah, dolphin or something.
Okay, all right. Yeah, we decided to come out on the top deck. This looks good. It looks good.
Got it.
Okay. But it was like this is where the American Civil War started. This is just the ruins from Fort Sumter. Yeah, Fred, you get your own picture this time.